Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the world of iconic and must-have products. Today, we're diving into a fragrance that's been dubbed the best confidence boost perfume with a long-lasting signature scent. Jennifer Lopez Live Eau de Parfum Spray for Women. Let's begin with the essence of this scent. Jennifer Lopez Live is not just a perfume, it's a vibrant celebration of life, energy, and femininity. From the moment you experience its first notes, you're introduced to a sparkling fruity blend that immediately uplifts your mood. The scent opens with an energetic burst of citrus and pineapple, a juicy and sweet combo that instantly feels youthful and refreshing. As the top notes begin to settle, Live gracefully transitions into its heart, a beautiful blend of red currant, peony, and violet. These floral and slightly tart middle notes bring a playful elegance to the fragrance. It's sophisticated, yet never too serious. Feminine, but with a fun-loving twist. This is where the confidence truly kicks in. It feels like stepping out on a summer evening, dressed to feel your best, glowing from the inside out. Then comes the dry down, and here's where this fragrance cements its status as a signature scent. The base reveals soft, warm hints of caramel, sandalwood, and tonka bean. It's creamy, comforting, and lingers beautifully on the skin for hours. This deep and rich finish ensures that the scent evolves throughout the day, telling a story that's personal and captivating. Packaged in a curvy, colorful glass bottle, Live by Jennifer Lopez is as vibrant in appearance as it is in aroma. The design reflects movement and energy, echoing the name, Live, itself, an invitation to embrace life fully. The 3.4 ounces bottle offers a generous amount of product, making it an excellent value for an eau de parfum concentration, known for its lasting power and intensity. Created for women who want their scent to match their energy, Live is ideal for both daytime adventures and evening glamour. Whether you're heading to a brunch with friends or dancing the night away, this perfume complements your vibe, bold, lively, and magnetic. It's that kind of fragrance that makes you memorable, a whisper of sweet mystery long after you've left the room. One of the standout features of Jennifer Lopez Live is its longevity. While many fruity floral perfumes tend to fade quickly, this one stays with you for hours, thanks to the EDP concentration. Just a few sprays in the morning will carry you through a workday and into the evening. And that's what makes it so empowering. It's a scent that stays with you, just like confidence. If you've been searching for a signature fragrance that captures joy, passion, and charm, something that makes you feel alive, radiant, and truly you, Live by Jennifer Lopez is worth every drop. That wraps up today's fragrance spotlight. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This has been Product Critique, where we help you discover standout products that truly live up to the hype. See you next time.